In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create job estimate in FreshBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your estimate look polished and on brand. First, open FreshBooks in your browser and sign into your account. You'll land on the dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of your business activity. From here, focus on the left-hand navigation panel. That's where all of your billing tools live, and it's the quickest way to reach the estimating features. Next, click Estimates from the left menu. This takes you to your Estimates home, where you can see drafts, sent estimates, and their statuses. It's a helpful place to track what's pending approval and what's been accepted, so you always know what work is likely to convert into paid projects. Now, select Create New. You'll see options for different document types. Choose Estimate to open a fresh estimate editor. This is your workspace for outlining the scope and pricing of a potential job before it becomes an invoice. With the estimate editor open, start filling in the required details. Pick your client from the customer list or add a new one if needed. Give the estimate a clear title so your client immediately understands what it covers. Add line items for each service or product. Include a descriptive name, a short explanation of what's included, quantities or hours, and your rate. If you charge tax, apply the appropriate tax to each line or to the total as required in your region. You can organize complex proposals by grouping related items or using concise descriptions that spell out deliverables and assumptions. Consider adding a note with timelines, exclusions, or a validity date so clients know how long the pricing stands. If you offer a discount, enter it carefully so the total reflects your final proposed cost. Before you wrap up, make your estimate look professional using the customization options. Click Change Template, Color, and Font to match your brand. Pick a template layout that presents details cleanly. Choose a color that aligns with your logo, and select a readable font. Preview as you go to ensure headers, line items, and totals are easy to scan on both desktop and mobile. That's it. You've navigated to Estimates, created a new estimate, completed the essential fields, and customized the look so it's client-ready. Once everything reads clearly and the numbers are accurate, you're ready for the next step in FreshBooks, whether that's saving the draft for review or moving forward when your client is ready to approve.